let's see how we can able to create the schedules. So first of all, I can go to find out the schedule here, or you can go to find out the view also. Right click, new schedule. Here I have to show, I have to select only the architectural. Here, first of all, I can go back to my wall and I can go to OK, choose. First of all, I can go for the family and type, and I can go for the length. Length, I can go to find out the width, and I can go to find out the uh, area, and I can go to find out the function. I just press OK. Now you can able to see here so many walls it's showing as per our design. Now it's everything is showing like mixing. Now we have to go for some filtering. I can go to find out group and short, family and type. I can just press. Now you can able to find out external, internal, interior, storefront, everything you can able to see what is the different of this thing. See this, just we can able to get the schedule of wall. Again I can go back to my model.
So, for this,
I can go back to here. Summary, you can able to go to find out grand total. You can able to see the summary of this one. Right. Now I can come back to my new schedule. Here I can keep it like multi-category schedule. Okay. Here categorize, family and type, level, mm, I'll just create 3 and I can just go for OK. Now you can able to see it's showing all categories in our projects. Now you can go back to group and short, make it header. Now you can able to see each and everything. You can, this is furniture, this is door, this is curtain panel. Now you can able to go to find out summarized. So curtain, wall, door, everything you can able to find. Here you can able to go to find out again. You can able to back to type these things. So this is called schedules. We can able to create a schedule, right? What is the difference of material takeoff? See, I can go back to my wall, choose my wall here, edit, go to edit. Here, masonry, I can go to find out. I already applied that masonry. I can go to find out identity. In the identity, I can put the cost of the masonry. The material cost I can mention here. Okay, apply. And here I can go to find out the screed and stand, sand. I can go to find out the cost. Each and every material we need to update the cost. Now I can go to find out this one, 20. Right? Now just I apply this one. Right. Now I can go back to my schedules. I can go to find out the new material, takeoff. I can go to choose wall. Okay. Here you can go to find out family and type. Okay. After that you should be apply from all like material area, material cost, material volume. Okay, all related to material. And if you want you can go for length.
The cost which we apply, is it for meters?
Now I can just move it up. This one I can just move it up. Apply. See, now you can able to see I only apply from where, in the external. Now you can able to see material, material cost, width and everything here. How we can able to find out the total cost of this one? So I can just go for family and type and just apply. So you can able to see it showing the, I can go to find out, I can go to find out the family and type. Now you can able to see this all showing the cost. Here material cost is showing. Some areas not showing because we are not applying that one. Here I apply this material cost. But how I can able to go to find out the total cost? So I can just go for field again. Here you can able to find out the add. Here you can able to find out the parameters. Add calculate parameters. Here you can able to find total cost. You can keep it common, type currency, formula, cost into volume slash 1. Okay. Now you can able to see the total cost of this one automatically calculating here. Now you can able to go to find the formatting area. You can go to find out the calculate total cost, volume, calculate total, total cost, calculate total. Now you can able to see, go to sorting and grouping. You can just apply. Now you can able to see which areas we mentioned, that areas you can able to find out the total cost of the wall we mentioned the material. So like this way you can able to find out the material cost.